So it says find BC and hence determine the position vector of the point Q, which lies between B and C in this sort of ratio here, right? Now to get BC, we go back to our sort of original diagram in part A. B to C, of course, right, would be, to get from B to C there, you could go B to O, couldn't you? Plus then O to C, okay? And B to O, don't forget, is minus OB, okay, it's the opposite of OB, plus OC. Now, I know what the position vector is of OB, okay, because they told me in the question. So if I want to minus it, it'll be minus of that. And then plus then OC, well, I know OC is 20i minus 8j. So when I simplify this then, minus 8i plus 20i is 12i, minus 24j minus 8j is minus 32j, yeah? Okay, so that's BC. But now, with regards to the question, okay, we've got this point Q, okay, which lies, it says, on the line, okay, BC, in this ratio 3 to 1, okay? So what I would do is I would split this line up into 4, essentially, right? So I'm going to roughly here get split up into 4, just so I can see it diagrammatically. And if you think about it then, because the ratio is 3 to 1, okay, while Q is going to be here, isn't it? If that makes sense, yeah? Q would be there, because there's 3 parts from B to Q, and just 1 part then from Q to C. So you notice I split it up into 4, yeah, 4 equal parts, because that's how the line is split up in that ratio there. So I want the position vector of OQ, okay? But to get the position vector of OQ, I can think of going, first of all, along to OB, okay? So I'm at B and then BQ, okay? So you can do that, can't you? And you just need to appreciate them. Well, OB I know, right? And I'm going to write that in a minute. But B to Q is actually just a fraction of B to C, isn't it? As we saw previously. It's the same vector as BC. It's just part way along, right? And it's quite a long way along. If you think about it, it's 3 parts out of a total of 4, isn't it? So it's 3/4 of the journey of BC. Okay. So O to B is, what's that? 8i plus 24j. And then B to C, well, we worked that out there, is 12i minus 32j. So this becomes then, when I simplify this, well, 3/4 of 12 is 9, and 3/4 of 32 is 24. Okay, and actually then the j's will cancel, won't they, and just end up with 17i. So that's a nice sort of answer to finish with there for this question for the position vector of Q. Okay, getting to Q, that would just be 17i.